In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add exponential moving averages on TradingView. By the end, you'll have one or more exponential moving average lines added to your TradingView chart, with the exact periods, colors, and visibility you want. First, open the Indicators menu, move to the top of your TradingView chart and click the Indicators button. This opens the search panel over your chart. Next, search for the EMA. In the search bar, type EMA or Moving Average Exponential. You'll see it appear in the results. Now add it to your chart. Click Moving Average Exponential once to add the first EMA line. If you need multiple EMAs, click it again for each additional line you want. Each click adds another EMA to your chart and to the list at the top left. From here, configure the length and style. Hover your mouse over the EMA name in the top left of the chart to reveal the gear icon, then click the gear to open settings. In Inputs, change the length to your desired period, for example 50, 100, or 200. Type the number or use the arrows to adjust it. This controls how many candles the EMA calculation uses. Next, open the Style tab. Change the color to make each EMA easy to tell apart. Adjust the line thickness so the most important EMAs stand out. If you need to, set the line's visibility options here as well. These visual changes do not alter the calculation, only how the line appears, so feel free to choose what's easiest to read. Once that's done, look back at your chart. The EMA now shows as a line following price. If you added more than one, repeat the same setting steps for each EMA so every line has the right length, color, and thickness. At this point, manage visibility as needed. In the chart legend at the top left, you can toggle each EMA on or off using the eye icon. Click the eye to hide or show a line without deleting it. This is helpful when you want to focus on a specific time frame or reduce clutter temporarily. Commonly used EMAs are as follows. For short-term signals, 9 and 20 EMA are typical. For medium-term analysis, many traders use the 50 EMA. For long-term context, the 100 and 200 EMA are common choices. Set the lengths that match your plan and keep the colors and thickness consistent so you can read them at a glance. To recap the workflow on screen, open the Indicators menu, search for EMA, add Moving Average Exponential to your chart, clicking multiple times if you need several lines, then hover over each EMA name, open the gear icon, while adjust the length under Inputs and fine-tune the style. Finally, use the eye icons in the legend to toggle visibility as you work. Your exponential moving averages are now added, configured, and visible on TradingView. The setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.